Hi there, here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Honda key fob. You're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there. You can also get a flat tip screwdriver. That isn't necessary, but I do believe it's helpful. First thing you want to do is take this little latch, push that down, and pull your mechanical key out. Now use that mechanical key, insert it right here firmly, and give it a twist. You can also use your key here to insert here and pry the battery out, but I think it's a little bit easier just to use a small screwdriver. Some people use a little butter knife as well, but I think that's helpful. You just want to be careful about these contacts. Take your old battery out, the new battery goes in, positive side facing upward, and you could see that red light blinked when I put that in there. Go ahead and close this up, give it a good firm squeeze. Make sure your red light's going there, put your key back, and you're all set. If it doesn't line up correctly, make sure your buttons are in place. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.